Hello everybody. Today in this tutorial we're going to talk about React control component. I have an example for you. In this example what we're aiming to do is, this is an input box. When we type something in here, we want to display that text right in here. To do so, we're going to go to our workspace. Right now I'm in my app.js file. So first I do need a state in here. Our initial value for the state will be empty string, and then I need a function named handle change, and this function alright, so what this function is going to do, we're going to update our state in this function. So to update state, we use this dot set state, and the new value will be event dot target dot value. So we're gonna get the value, and I mean by this value is that will be the attribute in our input element, which I'm going to create right now. So the value will be this dot state dot value, and I also need a on change. So what this on change is going to do, whenever we type something or whenever we press a key, this is going to call our handle change function. So we can call it this dot handle change. Alright, we have an error, event target value. Let's see, this dot, this is 11. Okay, this dot set state event dot this dot set state value will be, okay, value will be event dot target dot value. And the last thing is display input box in here. Okay, let's add our JSX code right at the end, and we are going to get the state value. Now if you go back to our browser right now, I type hello, and as you see, the moment that I type hello, I'm able to see that right in here. Hello Haji. And look at in here, when I press any key, that on change, it captures like the keystroke, and what it does is it calls my handle change function. What handle change does is it updates the states by getting the event that target that value, by getting the value of our input box. So our state is no longer an empty string, it is whatever we type in here. That's it guys. In this tutorial we covered React control components. Thanks.